A big ceremony here today at Brooke High School to pay tribute not only to veterans in Brooke County, but those across the country. Well, the student body here at Brooke High School gathered inside the gymnasium today to pay tribute to veterans who served in every branch of the military. Students recognizing the sacrifices they made.
The numbers, it's just shocking to think 2 million people gave their lives to save people. They had no idea who they were. So I can't say anything but thank them.
As for the veterans I talked to, they were overwhelmed with today's event.
It was great. It's really difficult to describe, but it makes you so proud.
Principal Tony Paisano tells me that this is an event that they hold every year.
They have such respect for the people that have served our country, and I know that it means a lot to them to have this program. So it's nothing that we have to force. They pretty much ask me every year, are we going to have our program again? And we do, and someone always steps up.
Now, on top of the assembly today, it was also bring a vet to school with you. Many students brought a veteran to school with them, and following that assembly, there was a roundtable discussion involving all the veterans. Outside of Brooke High School, Dave Elias, 7 News.
In the meantime, Wheeling Park High School invited local veterans